What up? Pontiac Man 7272. Coming back at you again with another video. You got it. You got it. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Yeah, you got it.
What up, you got it, squad? You got it. You got it. Y'all got it. It is Pontiac Man wife and Pontiac Man
7272.
You don't have to put the 72.
I'm sorry.
But you guys, we are on our way to this place called Buy Right. And what they do is they will match your paint up. Like if you need interior paint, which I do, they will match it up for you, and they will make it in spray cans, right?
Right.
So what I had to do is pull a piece out my car.
Where is it?
It's right here. This came off the belt, huh?
Yeah.
This came off the door panel belt, you guys. So I pulled this little piece off because I'm taking it to match the color up, because my door panels are scratched up bad, you guys. They look terrible. And like I said, I'm not redoing my interior right now. And matter of fact, I'm keeping it original anyways. But while my car is in the shop, you guys, I'm gonna do my door panels to the best of my ability, just to make them look better, so it won't look all crazy up in there when I do start driving it. Like I said, again, I really don't want to paint this car this summer, but I don't know for sure. But still, even if I don't paint this car, I still am going to be driving this car this summer, you guys.
And let them know that it is a DIY project.
I just told them it was.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I said I'm doing it myself. DIY, y'all. I'm doing it myself. But you guys, we are on our way, like I said, to Buy Right. And I'm going to check it out. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Okay, you guys, so we got back from Buy Right, you guys, and they're gonna be taking like a week long to get the paint, you guys, mixed up. So we made it back home, and here is part of the door panel I was telling you guys about. See how it looks, you guys? Messed up. So we're gonna try to see if we can restore these, you guys. Like I said, just for now, because this summer I plan on driving this car, but I didn't want to do any exterior painting yet. Just trying to spruce it up, because I'm not gonna be driving it like this, you guys. But like I said, you guys, gonna try to restore these panels. And this is the before, you guys. The before. So, you guys, that is gonna be the ending to this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, you guys. And you got it. You got it. Y'all got it.
What up? Pontiac Man 7272. Coming back at you again with another video. You got it. You got it. Yeah, you got it. You got it.